Recent leaks have shed light on Xiaomi's upcoming flagship, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, anticipated to launch in China on February 26, 2025, with a global debut at MWC Barcelona in March. The device is expected to feature a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals and smooth performance. Under the hood, it will reportedly house the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring robust performance and ample storage capacity. Photography enthusiasts can look forward to a versatile quad-camera setup, including a 1-inch type main sensor, Lisha LYT900, a 200MP periscope telephoto lens, ISOCELL HP9, a 50MP short-range telephoto lens, IMX858, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens, ISOCELL JN5, all equipped with Leica lenses for enhanced image quality. Powering the device is a substantial 6,000 mAh battery, supporting 90W wired and 50W wireless charging, promising extended usage with rapid recharge capabilities. Design-wise, the 15 Ultra is expected to be available in black, silver, and white, all featuring a vegan leather finish. These specifications position the Xiaomi 15 Ultra as a formidable contender in the premium smartphone market, offering a compelling blend of performance, design, and advanced camera capabilities.